Hey there, I am Parth Doshi, exploring the field of RPA and sharing my learnings with you by making video. Let me give you a quick overview of what we are going to say in this video. So since I have recently started making content for citizen developers and business users, but there is many times a confusion like how do we install Studio X, or if we are currently working on Studio Pro community or Studio community, how do we switch to UiPath Studio X? So this video is going to be about that and understanding the difference between UiPath Studio and for which audience it is made, and UiPath Studio X and for which users it is made. So this video is going to be about that. So first let's understand for whom is UiPath Studio Pro community and UiPath Studio community is built. It is built for the user who want to automate their complex processes, or maybe if they are already in the technical field, or they are programmers or they are developers. So UiPath Studio Pro community and Studio community is made for them. Now, what is the difference between Studio Pro community and Studio community? So Studio Pro community comes with all the latest update that UiPath provides for the community version. And Studio can be considered as a stable version which does not have very frequent updates. In Studio Pro, you can find Test Suite, the testing platform provided by UiPath, mobile automation, etc. etc. But in UiPath Studio Pro, there are less kind of, you can say, updates, and you can say there are less updates provided by UiPath itself. Now coming to UiPath Studio X. So if you are completely from a non-technical field, not from IT field, you are not a programmer, you are just normal business user or a citizen developer, but still you want to automate your daily task, maybe your business processes. You want to perform tasks like downloading the attachments from the email, logging to some website and downloading the data, scraping the data from some website, or automating some other process. For that kind of users, UiPath Studio X is a product by UiPath. So that is the major difference we see between all these three. Now, once you have downloaded the UiPath, maybe if you are using UiPath Studio currently. So this is my UiPath Studio interface. Now what I want to do is I want to switch from UiPath Studio Pro community to UiPath Studio X or UiPath Studio. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, you need to click on view or change profile. So this is the first option, change local license. So it is just to change your local license, but here we want to view or change between studio profiles. So now you see there are three, you can say, profiles over here. The first one, Studio Pro community, as I told you, are most advanced Studio IDE license offering, which in addition to Studio comes bundled with testing tools, advanced RPA features, and coding services. Now coming to UiPath Studio community. For users looking to build complex attended or unattended process automation. So now if you want to learn about attended and unattended process automation, I even have a playlist on that along with different use cases. Make sure you check that out. Now, after that comes UiPath Studio X community for business users looking to automate tasks for themselves and their intermediate teams. Ideal for user with limited or no experience writing coding. So as I told you, if you are a beginner, citizen developer, or a business user, use just looking a platform which can help you automate your daily task, then UiPath Studio X is for you. So now once I click on this UiPath Studio X to which I want to switch, so I'm just going to click on this. Profile was changed. Do you want to restart now? Yes. So I'm going to change it. So you see there is like no complexity between changing the profiles, or it's not like it's going to take a lot time for you. In just within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can say you can just easily switch your profiles. And maybe if you are a developer and you are working on Studio Pro or Studio community and you want to also learn Studio X, you can follow just these simple steps and also explain to your target audience the difference between both of them. And now, so as like I create content on both UiPath Studio community as well as UiPath Studio X for business users and citizen developers. So for me, it is very easy to switch between the profiles. It just takes me 5 minutes, and whatever task I want to perform, I can just switch and build that use case or build that workflow. So it's that easy. So now let's wait for Studio X to get loaded. So now as you can see over here, it is creating the application window and the license is the profile is getting changed. So license means there are two license, community and enterprise. So community is when you can use it for your own learning purpose, and enterprise is when you actually implement in your company or to your client. So in that case, you need to buy the enterprise license to use the cloud services as well to host your UiPath workflow and automate it. And community is for learning, which I'm using right now. So this is my UiPath Studio X, you can say, interface. So let's do a quick recap of what we saw in this video. In this video we saw what are the different profiles provided by UiPath in their community version, how what is the major difference between each of them. Also we saw how we can switch from one profile to other in just within 1 or 2 minutes. So thank you for watching the complete video. If you are very much interested in learning UiPath Studio X, then please do watch the suggested video at the end of this video. And if you want to learn UiPath Studio Pro or Studio with different use cases, there are already many videos on that on my channel, Learning by Doing. As you can see the list over here, these are different topics and more content is coming soon. Subscribe now to learn something new every day. Thank you.